How to add payment method in Shein. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Shein or head over to any of the official web browser and then move into the official website. Once you're inside the Shein, enter your login credentials and log in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now click on the settings icon at the top right corner. In this page, you need to head over to My Payment Options inside the settings. Click on it. You will see the option of Add a Payment Account. Tap on it and then click on the specific account that you want to add. I want to add credit or debit card, so click on the first option. Now enter the card number, expiration date, and also your security code. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Confirm. If all the informations are correct, then the payment method will be added to your account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.